Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to remove your gel polish manicure or pedicure at home safely without damaging your nails. So right now I'm using an 80/80 grit hand file to remove the top layer of gel polish. That way the acetone can soak through and eat away the polish. Okay, so now that I'm done removing the top layer of polish, what I'm doing now is I'm using cotton foil and some acetone nail polish remover, and I'm saturating the cotton swab with the nail polish remover, and I am covering up the entire nail plate and wrapping it in foil. And I'm going to do that with all 10 toes and let them sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. Now that about 10 minutes has passed, I'm taking my cuticle pusher and I am going to scrape off what's left over from the gel polish, and it should just flake or crumble right off. If you do have difficulty with the polish not wanting to come off, make sure you're using an acetone nail polish. Some nail polishes are non-acetone and you need the acetone. Also, you can also resaturate the cotton swab and let it sit for a few minutes longer. Sometimes that helps. Or you may not have filed off the top layer good enough. So you can try those three things. And if all else fails, you can go back in with your hand file and just gently file the rest of it off. Just be careful, because if you apply too much pressure, you will end up filing down your nail plate and it will cause your nail to become weak and thin, and you don't want that. So at this point, you'll see that there is a little bit of gel polish left over that was being stubborn. So I went back in with my hand file and I'm just gently filing off what's left over. Now that that's complete, I'm gonna go in with my buffer just to buff out any ridges, any little leftover pieces of gel, and it will smooth my nail bed out. Once I do that with all 10 toes, you can file them, file the free edge, trim them, do whatever you want to do to clean them up. However, I'm about to apply acrylic, so I just went ahead, applied some moisturizer, washed my toes, and this is the final product. Hope you guys enjoyed.